Okay guys, I can see based on what I'm seeing on the apps that you're creating that there is a misunderstanding about how to set things up to start with. Obviously we didn't do a proper onboarding sequence, so I understand why there's a problem, but I will explain exactly how to get started, okay? Let's say that you are in your organization, okay? What you want to have is you want to have for your project one database. Don't create more than one database, just one database. And inside this database, that's where you have all your tables. You actually don't even have to come to databases. You don't have to touch it. You just come to the app and you create an app and a database will be created for you. So let's take a look. All right, so now we have the app here. You can see all my tables are here under the same database. If you want to add more tables, you just click import data and you can import any of the available CSV, Excel, and ODS. If you're importing from Glad, you can use ODS. It will export all of the, on the settings of the app, you can export everything and you can import it here, okay? The point is that you don't create multiple databases, you create multiple tables for the same database, okay? That's the first thing. The second thing is if you're creating, let me just get rid of this because this is just not really an admin app. If you're creating some kind of an admin app, it's very important that you add a sidebar. The sidebar will have easy access to all of the items, all of the pages that you have on your app. And there's another video about sidebar, please watch it. But these two things will allow you to get started really quickly. Another thing I want to recommend is you can try to use our experimental kind of AI generated pages. So if you want to create, let's say, a list of some sort with the details page, then you choose this option. And then you can choose also to just say this is a list page, this is a details page, and you can also create a form page. Very experimental, not fully tested yet, but let's just try it, okay? So list with details page. Let's just do dishes, and I will just click generate. And now it's showing me already the dishes. Now you can ignore this part. This part is for us for testing purposes, but what you need to know is that you just generated this page. You can just totally delete it, so you can just totally delete or edit this. Okay, you can just remove it. But now you see that it created a list for you with some data, and you can make changes. I already created the videos about repeaters. This is a repeater, and if you click on it, you will see also the details page. Okay, it was also generated for you. This one is not working yet, so you don't even have to try it. But this is if you want to get started quickly with something, with some page, you can do it this way. So let's try, I think we have ones for stuff. So you want to create a stuff page. So you choose the stuff, you click generate. And now you have a page with stuff, okay? And it also generated the details page, so you can click on it and see the details page. And of course you can change it to whatever you want. You can make any changes here and make it your own, but this is a very fast way to get started.